What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. This is DJ Easy Gaming, and today we're going to be playing Call of Duty Mobile. So, as you see from the title of the video, we are doing the Shotgun Pistol Sniper. Now, no, I did not just forget that. I just messed up the order in my head. So, we are going to be playing 3 matches in order to see which match I am the best at with these three weapons. And yeah, let's get into it. So the first weapon that we're gonna be doing is a shotgun, and then we're gonna go to pistol, and then sniper. Okay, so one of my friends, his YouTube channel is Upstate Penny. He did do this challenge on his side. I'll leave a link in the description for his channel. If I can figure out how to. Comment down below if you know how to. So, yeah, let's get into this. Okay, I am trying not to touch my mic. Okay, come on, let's get into this.
Deathmatch.
Okay, I've got my shotgun. Okay, let's go first. Gonna slide. Gonna slide again.
Watch out! Lost the lead.
What? Guys, tell me I didn't do that. Okay, but those slides really did give me an advantage. That's one kill. Okay, I think that's my weapon now. Sliding. Bye. That was a headshot. Okay, let's see who else. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna try something.
Too close.
I know it's kind of weird to do this up here, but I'm just gonna wait here and wait for whoever comes, and then immediately just take a big drop on them and. Okay, so that's no.
Target's in sight.
So where? Did I see that? Okay, this guy seems to be come up.
Tango down.
Enemy
Enemy UAV spotted.
Okay, let's see. You don't bother about me, mind you. Okay, let's start. There you go.
Recon standing by.
There you go.
Recon is standing by. Hunter killer.
I am horrible with shotguns, yet I am dominating.
Friendly predator missile inbound.
Okay, let's go for this guy. What a hit.
UAV online.
Let's just throw this guy.
Friendly hunter killer drone deployed.
Okay.
Contact with enemy.
Okay, who are we going for next? This guy?
Reloading.
Again?
Contact with enemy.
And I knocked him. There we go, got him.
Reloading.
Okay, let's see who's next. And that's it. Oh, he's dead. This match is surprisingly slow, guys.
We lost the lead. Enemy airstrike incoming. Be careful. It's too close. Fight harder. We've taken the lead. Tied for the lead. Lost the lead. UAV online. UAV recon ready for deployment.
This guy?
Close.
Go,
Fight
got him.
harder. Hunter killer drone on standby. Lost the lead. UAV online. Hunter killer drone deployed.
Okay, I'll be ready to see me.
It's inside. Need backup. Predator missile awaiting orders.
Okay, that was a very weird hit.
Predator missile inbound.
Yeah, you know what I mean, I know you just spawned, but Okay, who's next? Okay.
Need backup. Headshot. Tied for the lead.
Got him. Okay, that was actually really
Lost the lead.
good.
Hostile Predator missile inbound. Enemy code. Hostile stealth chopper
Got
inbound.
her.
It's too close. Fight
He's dead.
hard. UAV recon standing by. Repeat. UAV recon is standing by. Lost the
Okay,
lead.
get in here, get in here, get in here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stay in here, stay in here, stay in here.
UAV online.
Do not come out of here. I mean, the best thing I can do.
Need backup.
No, that was that thingy.
Get up, team.
You should have just stayed in.
Need backup.
Get off. You're out of the game. You're
Contact with enemy.
out of the game.
Inside.
Guys, I'm... Oh, shoot. Sorry. Yeah, covering my mic. I'm doing absolutely insane.
Enemy down. We're losing this fight.
Losing? Oh! Oh! No, 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 no.
Grenade, run!
She just walked past it. Okay, she... Behind us?
Enemy down!
He's dead. One or two guys I know. And there we go. Okay, we did horrible in this round. Oh my days. Okay guys, next match, pistols only, let's go.
Grenade! You're taking the lead. Enemy down!
Should put in the top on this thing. Maybe FMG.
Reloading. Tango down!
Fun.
Changing mag! Get down! Sniper! Need backup!
Where's the sniper?
Target's in sight! Tied for the lead.
No, damn it, guys. Okay. I was
We've
reloading.
taken the lead.
How many kills have I got? I think 2. 1. Okay. So, guys.
Target down!
Okay,
Need backup! Sniper down!
sorry, guys. I had a small, small interruption.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Let's see. Okay, so I probably should have
I'm hurt!
gotten more kills. But I'm not going to stress it. I'm going to call it even. Because I definitely was inactive for less than 30 seconds. Has to be. So I'm not going to cut it out.
Enemy contact! Target's in sight!
Shoot. Okay.
Enemy contact! Need backup!
I cannot seem to find anybody.
Tango down!
No!
Contact with enemy!
Okay, if I had my normal gun,
Sniper! Sniper down!
I would have been able to do this
Need backup!
so
Enemy contact!
nicely.
Get down! Sniper!
Okay.
Sniper! Tango down!
Where this guy already. Holy cow, this guy's absolutely
Heads up.
horrible.
Enemy UAV spotted. Hunter killer drone on standby.
Oh,
Reaching mag.
he's running.
Tied for the lead.
Need backup.
Who wants me now? You want me.
Lost the lead.
Reaching mag.
You said you want me.
It's too close. Fight harder.
Thank you.
Get down. Sniper.
Rick,
We lost the lead.
Target's inside. Reloading.
You're losing this fight.
Reloading.
Okay.
Cover me.
I cannot afford to lose
Tied
the
for
next
the lead.
fight.
Predator missile on
If I have
standby.
to, I think I'd have to switch. No, I'm not gonna switch.
It's
I'm
too
not gonna
close.
switch.
Fight harder. Sentry gun ready to deploy.
No,
Taking the lead.
no.
Sniper.
Eh. I have no choice, guys.
Sniper eliminated.
Okay. This person, nobody.
Target
Objective
down.
almost complete. Keep it up.
Reloading. Tango down.
Please just kill me. Please, somebody just kill me. Somebody, please just kill me. Can I not find anybody to kill me?
Enemy contact.
Please just kill me.
Target's
Thank you.
inside.
Kill me.
Need backup.
Kill me.
Enemy contact.
Kill me.
Contact with enemy.
Kill me. I'm literally standing right here.
Need backup. Cover me. Changing mag.
How?
Target down.
Can nobody kill me?
Target's inside. Contact with enemy.
Please
Reloading.
kill me.
Cover me. Reload. Target down. Get down.
Guys.
Sniper.
Oh my god. Oh. No, I'm actually doing this. I'm actually gonna do this. I'm actually gonna commit suicide. No! Damn it! What? How did it like that? There's like nobody getting killed? Okay guys, let's bring us to our final challenge. The snipers. Oh, let's go.
Nice work. Well done.
Nice. Okay. Okay. Holy cow. Okay, guys, I'm gonna set the map to something I feel comfortable with. Because I do not have. Guys, give me a second. I need to restart. Okay, never mind. Give me about 10 seconds. Okay, guys, I am back. We have Crossfire. I'm using this because it's my best map for snipers. Okay. Perfect skin on my gun. Looking sharp. And let's go, guys. Okay, guys, here it is. And I am not in my sniping location. Good thing I have two. There's my second one. Shoot. Okay, so I need to
taken the lead.
get inside here. One entrance to this place. I'm gonna block that off by a mine. Gonna get all the way up here. Gonna crouch. Open up my sniper. And let's get sniping, I guess. Wait, does this? Yeah, it is. Okay, I'm gonna do this like how I always do. Let's zoom in and we check out the battlefield. There's one.
Tango down.
That's one. That's another one. Shoot. Missed him. Nope, never get him. Okay.
UAV online.
Reload. Why does he reload me with the sniper? Frick. Look for him. Oh, Okay, that was a crisp snipe. Yeah, there we go.
Repeat, UAV recon is standing by.
Yeah.
Hunter killer drone on standby.
Somebody was killed. I knew that. Okay, I have nothing. Oh,
Get down! Sniper!
is it sniper? Whoa! Wait, what?
Reloading!
Okay, where is the car? No. Zoom in and release. Let's go. He's down.
Predator
He's
missile
down.
awaiting orders.
How? By the way, guys, that's my other sniping location right there. Let's open up my Tempest. Okay. No.
Need backup! Sniper!
Let's go. Nope. Okay. One Tempest kill. Switching the. Hello. No. 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 Okay, I'm gonna camp here.
Get down! Sniper! Oh.
Good.
Contact with enemy!
I see you. How did I not hit you?
Sniper! Sniper eliminated.
Double kill! Holy cow, that is.
Target's in sight! Need backup!
Nope, nope, not really. No. Okay.
Sniper
Let's
down!
go! Okay, we are finishing people here. Okay. Ooh, I'm looking, guys. I'm checking it out.
Reloading.
There he is.
Sniper down.
No, my finger couldn't
Reloading!
reach.
Cover me! Tango down.
Got him. Don't mess with my teammates. And no.
Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Heads up.
And let's go.
Enemy UAV spotted.
I'm gonna try doing no scope.
Be advised, hostile
I'm
hunter
not
killer
gonna
drone
use this.
inbound.
Okay. Nope, this is my kill, guys.
Need backup! I'm hurt!
Okay, they're flooding the area like they own it.
Tango down!
Let's show them what it is, boys.
Burning. Keep fighting.
Let's go.
Be advised, hostile predator missile inbound.
Target down.
Okay, please.
Enemy in sight.
Okay, guys, where are these guys? Sorry, I'm just really focused. Okay.
Need backup. Headshot!
Ooh, what was that, guys? What?
Heads up, team. Enemy UAV
I'm down.
spotted.
Okay, I cannot use this guy.
Hostile hunter killer drone inbound. Hunter killer drone deployed. Hostile Predator missile inbound.
Okay.
Predator missile inbound.
Fire. Double kill, guys. Double kill. Let's go. I think this has bagged it. MVP. No other than me.
Target's in sight.
Let's check out how I did, guys. Okay, this is mine. What? That guy didn't even want to come get me. I just got him. And I'm opening Minecraft on my PC. Okay, guys. We did not do that at all.
Just another day.
Not at all, guys. 20 kills. Not my best, but I'll take it. Okay, guys. All together, I think we know who the winner of the challenge is. Clearly, the winner of this challenge is no other than the sniper, which I'm not too surprised for. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that like button? And why not subscribe while you're still down there? This is DJ Danger Gaming, signing out. Peace.